As a business brand of the Navigator Company, Viveiros Aliança ensures the production of all the plants the company needs for its forestry business, driven by sustainability, quality and innovation. Espirra, Caniceira and Ferreiras, the 3 nurseries that are part of Viveiros Aliança, have the capacity to produce 12 million plants a year, 70% of which are Eucalyptus globulus.
With our plants, we are just now producing the paper and the other bioproducts of the future. Our challenge, it is amazing because we know that we are contributing for a higher quality and productivity forest and also for more sustainable paper production.
The clonal production of Eucalyptus globulus starts in the mother plant park in Espirra, where 170,000 plants are managed. Plants in the same distinctive coloured sleeves are genetically identical copies of an original tree, with exceptional features, developed through the Navigator Company's forestry improvement programme at Raiz. The freshly cut shoots are transported to the biofactory, where over 100 people work during peak production, undertaking more than 140,000 cuttings per day.
The plant propagation process, it is manual and requires a very high level of precision and care. We keep 1 pair of leaves. We reduce the leaf to prevent diseases and water losses. Before planting, we must make a treatment with root hormone to promote the root ability. The trays are automatically moved on conveyor belts and they are placed into large aluminium tables by a robotic system. Each tray it is identified with a QR code that allows us to control all the productivity and quality of the work.
The young plants go through 3 essential development stages. The first, known as the survival stage, lasts from 25 to 30 days and takes place under high humidity and shade to promote initial growth. This is followed by the rooting stage, spanning 25 to 30 days, during which the root system fully develops. Finally, the acclimatization stage can last several months as the plants are gradually exposed to natural conditions to build resilience before being transplanted to the field in autumn.
During the hardening of the process, the plants prepare for the real life. They must grow with quality, develop a good root system, and show healthy symptoms without signals of pests and diseases. All these criteria are confirmed in the selection process before the plants leave the nursery to be planted, by assuring a higher level of success.
From the meticulous nurturing of each seedling at Viveiros Aliança to the responsible reforestation that ensures the sustainability of paper production, the Navigator Company is cultivating the future of forestry excellence. gKRAFT is here to lead the change. From fossil to forest, rooting for a greener planet.